How to turn on location service on your TikTok account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like it, subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just open TikTok. Then when TikTok is opening, as you see, you will just go here to your profile, then click. Then when your profile is opening, we'll just go here to this three line, then go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy, then go to location service, then you will click here, then click continue and click while using the app, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next video.